Welcome to the tutorial video of GrabGuidance. In this video, we will guide how an expert can take live session on our portal. If any student book a session with you, you will receive an email on your registered email ID. In that email, you can check the date of the session, timings, duration. Okay. On the day of live session, you need to go to the GrabGuidance portal, that is www.grabguidance.com. Just click on expert account option. Enter your mobile number and click on login. Enter the OTP which you have received on your registered mobile number. On your dashboard, you will see on the left hand side your session. With the student name, timing and duration of the session. On the title bar, you can see dashboard, sessions and reviews option. Just click on sessions. Here you can see upcoming session. Here also you can see the sessions information, that is today at 6:15 p.m. till 6:35, 20-minute session. Once you scroll down, you will see users query over here. He's looking for guidance in common queries in demo session. Here it is mentioned that you can join the session 10 minutes before the scheduled time. So right now the link is not activated. Okay, so around 6:15 we'll just check. Now you can see the join the session tab. Okay, if you didn't find the tab, you can refresh the page. You can just click on the join the session. Okay, so you can see it is mentioned that no one joined in this call yet. It is mic, camera. If you want to close the session or cancel the session, you can do it. And from here you can share your screen. You can share your website, documents. If you click on this red button, here you can see your past sessions also. Okay. If somebody has shared reviews, you will be able to see here. Okay. Thank you so much for watching the sessions.